Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gayatri and in today's video we are going to talk about skincare and that too affordable skincare. So for every category I have two or more than two options, and if you are interested in watching this video, please keep on watching and give this video a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video you guys will get notified. And without wasting much time, let's move on to the video. Okay, so the first part is face wash. We start our skincare by doing face wash, and for face wash, I have three options. First option is from Good Vibes. It's their rosemary face wash, and I have another one from the range which is Frankenis. It's completely empty. As you can see, there is nothing in this face wash because I like this face wash very much. And this is a very gentle face wash, but it cleans your face thoroughly, and the texture is really amazing, and it does not leave that stretchy feel for your face. And especially if you are from dry skin, I would really suggest you buying this one, rosemary one. The third one option is the, like, everyone knows about this, is the Clean and Clear foaming face wash. This is a foaming face wash, and I would highly suggest dry skin people avoid this. It will get your skin like stretchy and dehydrated, but it does get rid of all of the dirt and everything from your face. If you mind it, then you can probably buy it, but I would not suggest doing that. The option that I have for the dry skin people is Fierce. As the name suggests, pure and gentle face wash, ultra mild. This is very mild. If you are a person from sensitive skin type, you will definitely love this. This does get rid of your dirt and gunk from your face. At the same time, does not dry out your skin. But this I would really suggest oily skin people or people prone to acne would should buy this and not this, because you would not even feel that your face is clean. That's the case which happens with me sometimes, but it is pretty good if you are from the dry skin family. Next thing that I have is from Himalaya. This is the Himalaya toner, and this is such a great toner. This is highly hydrating, just for some time, not like intense hydration, but when you apply it, it gets rid of your dirt or from your face that the face wash didn't get rid of, and balances your skin. Some toners have AHS and BHS. This does not have any. This is called as refreshing and clarifying toner for all skin types. And the most important thing to look into a toner is that it is, if it is alcohol free or not. This definitely is alcohol free. I only have one toner options because I haven't tried any other options, so I only have one toner option in affordable category which is alcohol free. Moving on to next thing, the you have to moisturize your face after you do all this toner and everything. So for those who have oily skin, this lactocalamine is very good. They have one for combination to normal skin and one for oily skin. This is a really great moisturizer to get rid of your oils. It will moisturize your face, but not as much as other creams would do. This would get rid of any oil, anything that's oily sticky on your face, and for that purpose, for oily skin people, this is a blessing. Next cream that I have for you, it's the Nivea Aloe Hydration Cream. I just bought it. I'm going to show, I have a haul film where I got this, but the product is really good. It gives your face hydration and moisturize. It's just for 49 rupees, and what you get for 49 rupees, it's really pretty, really thin. It has a very thin structure. When you see it, it might not look very thin, but when you get it on your hand and put it on your face, it is very thin. It gets absorbed very easily. So the next thing that I have is a gel. Like, some people do not like to apply creams. Some, if you are someone who is from the oily skin family, I can understand that you do not like to apply creams, but gels are really easy and a good choice for oily skin people. That gives you hydration as well as it is non sticky. So the gel that I have is from Good Vibes. This is their orange gel, and another gel that I have is again from Good Vibes, which is the tea tree gel. This one is completely empty. There is nothing inside it. I think there are 1 to 2 applications remaining, some product remaining here. This is a really pretty gel and I use this a lot, and this does not disappoint. But if you are from dry skin, you would not feel that it's moisturizing or hydrating, because it is not. Oily skin people might feel it that way, but for dry skin or even to normal skin, it is not the case. For scrub, I have two options. Like, one is this from Biotic. This is their Bio Papaya revitalizing tan removal scrub. Scrub is really rich, really pretty, and most important thing is it's a cream based formula, so it's not going to get your the moisture from your face sucked out. It's going to add it into your skin, and that's what I personally look forward to in a scrub or in any face products, just because I am from a dry skin family. So I know the struggle. If you are from dry skin, and even if you are not, this is not like crazy like it will give moisturization to the another level. It's not like that. It does not create micro tears on your face. The next scrub that I have is also a moisturizing formula, but it's in gel, and this scrub does everything that a scrub can ever do. Removes dead skin, adds moisturization, does not strip off your skin, and has round particles, which is most important thing. You do not want the sharp particles to poke your skin. You want round particles to get rid of your dead skin very gently and mildly. Okay, so the next thing is face mask. And the one that I'm going to suggest to you is from Good Vibes again. It's the Wine Hydrating Face Mask. This is, I wouldn't say it's a very good face mask, like very great, anything life changing or anything. It, I would say, is like another clay mask that I have, which are from the high end category, like Innisfree and all. But this mask is something that does not strip off your face, as well as it gives moisture into your face. If you're looking for like deep removing, like anything that I have for you, which is great for anti-acne, like to remove the sebum production, like excess sebum production from your face, is the Himalayas neem face pack. That is something that I love and that I used to use very frequently, but I do not have it now because I used it completely and threw the bottle out, like threw the tube out. So I'm sorry that I cannot show you the texture and everything. But if you want to get a clay mask, I would suggest your first clay mask should be that one rather than this one. Next thing regarding to face is sheet mask. Sheet mask, I have a lot of those. I have like 7 to 8 of the Face Shop sheet masks. The brand that I like the most for sheet mask is the Sugar Cosmetics. The Cheat Sheet Clarifying Mask. This mask is magic. This mask gets rid of the sebum. Like, sebum is something that I don't like. No matter what I do, no matter which clay mask I use, it just is on my face, creating more and more pimples to annoy me. So I do not like sebum production on my face at all, and for that purpose I use this sheet mask from Sugars. It has rose water for anti-inflammatory properties, tea tree extract for sebum control, and unclogged pores. Unclogged pores, I cannot say, but sebum control, it's, I'm 101% sure that it does control the sebum on your face. And then salicylic acid as a skin exfoliator. If you have a lot of sebum production like me, then you can buy the sugar one. And if you just want moisturization and want to try different like variants, then the Face Shop one is really great because they have a lot of variants and for different skin types, different skin issues. That, and if you are specific about your skin issues, then you can definitely choose anyone that fits in your skin issue category from the Face Shop. Okay, so the next thing we are going to talk about is Good Vibes lip scrub. I know we have a lot of Good Vibes products, but what can I say, they have a lot of affordable options. Good Vibes, this is in the chocolate variant, and this gets rid of your dead skin like this. It does not leave anything like it does not scratches your lips. And the lip balm I'm going to suggest is the Nivea lip balm. The most, like, my favorite one is the original one. Okay, so this is all for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found this video helpful. And if you did found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and also share this video with your friends so that they can take care of their skin too in for this upcoming Diwali season. And I will see you in my next video. Until then, take care.